So we got a couple of trades out today. We sent out CAD JPY and we sent out S&P 500. Both have moved into enough profit to be able to manage. S&P 500 went up $12. CAD JPY went up 30 pips, both decent performance. And first up on the block, we have, let's see what we've got. Should be the same every week, but it does change. So we've got USD CAD. So we should know from the second video yesterday, USD CAD has completed 3 pushes up. So 3 and 1, and we've pulled back. We're looking for a continuation higher. And so this is zone 2. This is zone 2. Notice the blue harmonics, notice the red harmonics bringing us into the low point. 1, 2, 3 to the low, 3 and 1, remember. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1, remember. We're either going to anchor here or push higher. Let's just see if there's any sequence for us. Is there any sequence? So what we have is a day of drop, second day of drop. We did a drop right, so we expect to drop tomorrow. We've got 3 pushes up. That does mean the markets will probably rally in that case. We'll see how the market manages this particular situation. CHF JPY is still reaching higher. We can see the patterns complete 2 cycles within a peak and a high, peak low and a peak high. Enter DJPY. We still believe this is higher. This is 1, 2. And we expect a 3. So let's go to our pattern. And what have we got in here? This is the wave riding. So we've got a change of character. This is 1. And then within push 2, we've got 1, 2, and we're waiting for the 3rd. And obviously the market knows that people are waiting for the 3rd. So it's screwed day. It's all still within the realms of, I'm not sure if it's still good for our setup, but we've had TP1 out of this anyway. And we'll see how it sets up. Euro CAD is spooling around the middle of consolidation 1. Typically you shouldn't really mess around in the middle because market can trade both ways until it starts showing me high, 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 and low pass. AUD JPY, this guy was a 1, 2. So within this second cycle, we're seeing higher highs and higher lows playing out. And we can see a 1, 2, 3 to the low. So overall, this pattern's a difficult one because the pattern ultimately is complete. So we're looking at this from, so you've got a 1, a 2, and a peak, but this is also seen in another way. This is 1, and this is a peak 2. We're just launching out of it. Difficult sometimes, but if it was easy all the time, everyone would be making money. The only thing that gives it away a little bit is on this time frame here. This is just clear consolidation, and this is clear, and I can see high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Anyhow, we're long anyway, and that's that. So we'll see how we go. GBP-CHF trying to push up again. Notice the 3 in yellow harmonic move to a low playing out there. The market's still reaching high. We've got 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1. Remember, is this going to be the high? Lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. Has to take out this to really be taken seriously, and we have an anchor jet surpass. AUD NZD, so this looks like consolidation 1 lower. Notice the lower highs and the higher lows coming into a compression point. No trade there. USD CHF is coming to the targeted entry. If we're going to continue lower, we can see 1, 2, 3 to the low. We can see trades off the 50 for a continuation lower. You can see a clear 1 and a clear 2. Now, it's whether or not the market's going to extend this lower or not. We'll have to wait and see. Until then, no trade. Enter USD. Now, enter is, it's done this 1, 2, 3 and 1, but this looks like the 1 to me, and then a 2 and a 3 lower. 3 up. It is also a very strong Gartley buy from down here, mega strong market moving away. So this is push 1 ultimately of the move away. We'll have to see how it steadies itself. But no real break of structure shown yet surpassed for now. So it really isn't too much out there, folks. You can't make it up, otherwise you just get killed. JPY, so we had to go on this short today. Level 1, level 2, this is a peak. So we're taking trades in the peak. Shouldn't normally, but it's such a nice setup. See if I can show you it here. But if you want to see a bit more breakdown on these setups, you have to go to my personal YouTube channel, which is at MelonsTrade. So YouTube at MelonsTrade, you'll be able to see breakdowns and videos of these patterns. What we saw here was we saw an ABCD pattern, which is quite clear. I can show you it. So we have an ABCD. You can see it from here. This is I'll draw it here quickly for you. So that length there is AB. If you want to know why that is AB, then you have to watch some of the videos at least to get an idea of why. So ABCD brings us into this high here. I can see 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks of rise. Market worked in 3, so this is an exhaustion point. I can see a double bottom being put in. I can see another A, B, C, D up here, and another A, B, C, D with a CD leg extended. So this is a wonderful short opportunity. We sent it out. USD JPY peak formation, 3 harmonic moves, expecting this lower 1, 2 peak. CAD CHF making that move. Huge ABCD in yellow. Higher prices ahead. Let me check what this one is. Here we go. Euro AUD 1, 2, 3 up, 3 and 1. Expect price to come back. An anchor pass. It is in the second cycle higher. GBP USD again, middle of the first cycle higher. This is cycle 1. We're in the middle of it. We are showing some sort of high, low, high, low, but it's just a bit of an internal piece of structure that I don't like. Rounding area going on here. Pass. Euro AUD, Euro stuff. Sorry, that's GBP AUD, Elliot. This is Euro AUD. Again, done 3 and 1, 3 pushes up, and we're expecting 1, 2, 3 to the low. We need to see this anchor somehow before we can see higher prices, but again, leaving the second zone. Euro CHF being a real stickler, actually. Ultimately, hugely bullish because it's a beautiful pattern. It's completed 3 years of drop. So, 1, 2, 3 to the low. Pattern's clear. Cycle 1, cycle 2. We're expecting this to really push up. But for me, this isn't enough to say bottoming out. This needs to be retested at least. There's a lot of harmonics unfulfilled. A, B, C, D down to the low. A, B, C, D. So in the premium, and I think it was the standard, we sent this out. We're down about 10 pips on it. It's been open since last Friday now. So the only worry I have here is that we've got 1, 2, and it could give us a 3 up. But we'll wait and see. We'll try and come out if we can get our money back. AUD CAD. So AUD CAD's one of my favorite structurally. We've done a ABCD that we took as a trade, and we're moving higher. You can see push 1, push 2, push 3, which makes a consolidation zone. And this is a trap and a false, and we expect them to move higher. Cycle 1, cycle 2, peak. Cycle 1, we're expecting 2 on the peak. Euro GBP, cycle 1, cycle 2, expecting higher prices. Gold. 1, 2. This is still within 2, and again a 1, 2, 3, I guess. So that's a 3 and 1. So we don't know what they're going to do here, market makers. They may hold price, they may push price, but we can see a 1 cycle and a 2 cycle high, and it needs to give us a 3. So that's still in the coffers. AUD USD again, a 1, 2, 3 to the low. 3 pushes up. Beautiful pattern lower. This really is a masterpiece in terms of structure. First cycle, second cycle, and we know it's going to give us down here. It's just, it sounds so easy, but what if you just did it with your eyes blind here? You probably get stopped out, even though you know which way the market's going. That's the problem with trading, is getting in with the pattern and chilling out. But there aren't any obvious entries here. The obvious entry is we've come off this low and we're probably going to go back to this high. Have to wait and see. Nothing for now. Pass. GBP JPY pass is a peak as well. Euro NZD trying to leave that second zone, looking really good. Leaving that second zone of cycling. Yeah, second cycle. Blue harmonic holding up price. It was nearly an A, B, C, D. Missed it, but it's away and off. Euro USD, I like, this is a low, it's coming off for me, 1, 2, it's going to give me a third, high, low, high, low. I know people that are taking this long, so you want them to do. Pass. Wait. Euro JPY, another Gartley, X, A, B, C, D. This could drop like an absolute rock. We'll wait and see. The pattern is there in its full glory. AUD, CHF, pattern in its full glory on the way up. Level 1, level 2 peak, then level 1, level 2 on the way down. Then we have this conundrum of, is this push 1, push 2, push 3 to make it complete? Maybe. This doesn't look like a bottom to me. 1, 2, 3 looks odd. Therefore, I think we're going to come down to here. So there you have it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content on the YouTube channel. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.